Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. Today I'm going to be making a small bird table using this glued up panel of pallet slats as the table top, and I've got this piece of 2x4 which I'm going to turn into square stock for the upright and the stand itself. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is, to get it a perfectly square piece of stock, is just offer this up to the blade and move the fence over very gently. So now that I've got my two pieces of square stock, which are about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, or 40mm by 40mm, I'm going to turn one of these pieces into the feet of the stand, and the other piece will be the stand itself. I've measured this piece of stock and it's just under 4 foot, so I'm going to mark some 11-inch pieces. Roughly. What I'll do is I'll cut one and use that as a reference for the rest. Now what I'm going to do is, just to make the ends look less bulky, is just put a 45-degree chamfer on each of them. So now I'm just going to get those feet fixed to the bottom of the upright. So that's the main stand made. Now I'm going to start working on the table. All I'm going to do to this panel is just give it a good sanding and put a bead around the edge to stop any bird seed or bird food from being blown off by the wind. What I've done off camera is I've just cut some strips from the offcut of the 2x4, and I'm going to use them as a barrier around the edge of the table, and I'm going to trim it as I go. Now to fix it to the stand, I'm just going to mark diagonals to find the center. So now I'm just going to get this fixed on, roughly in the centre of the post. I don't think I'm going to bother putting any additional support. It's pretty solid. And what I've got is this cuprinol shed and fence protection. And there it is, all finished. I've probably missed a couple of spots with the paintbrush, but I'll probably go over it again tomorrow. But I don't think that looks too bad. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you could give me a thumbs up, that would really help this video get seen, and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.